Back to my 25 days of real estate tips sellers edition. I am Julissa Rivera, your house doctor. Today we're going to talk about repairs. Buyers who are seeking to finance will most likely conduct an inspection and definitely conduct an appraisal. During the inspection period, if the buyer has an inspection, they can request repairs or ask for credits. As the seller, the truth is you don't have to give any credits or make any repairs. However, bear in mind that some issues may cause problems for funding. For example, having a faulty roof may stop lender financing until the roof is repaired. Or having active termites may halt lender financing until the problem has been remedied. So at that point, you as a seller have a couple of options. You can cancel the deal and put the house back on the market as a cash-only deal and disclose the issues at hand. Or you can make repairs and continue with the sale of the home. Another time when repairs may be necessary is if the appraiser makes notes about certain issues that need to be repaired before the loan can be approved. Some examples of things that have come up in the past during an appraisal include putting a handrail on the stairs leading up to the home and repairing wood rot from the lanai. So as the seller, understand that while you are not obligated to make repairs, some repairs are necessary for the buyer to obtain financing. Bear in mind that while there are quite a few cash buyers, the majority of buyers finance their homes. So be open to the possibility of having to make repairs. Well, there you have it, another real estate tip. For this and more, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, adios.
You ain't seen nothing like this.